Here's how to lace Nike Air Force Ones in a standard style. Start by taking a hold of your lace and the metal tag, flip the metal tag over, and then bring your lace up through one side and then down through the other, like this. And then when you flip it over, it'll be the correct side. Make sure it's the right way up as well. I get that wrong sometimes myself. And then you want to pull that through, take a hold of your two lace ends, and you want to get it to the midpoint of the lace. So just take your time pulling it through until it's about even. Great. Now what we're going to do is feed our two lace ends down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side, and we're going to go down into them from above. So take a hold of your lace on the left and bring it down into that very bottom eyelet from above and pull it all the way through until that metal tag sits nicely. Then swap to your lace on the right, and we're going to take it down into the very bottom eyelet on this side from above, pulling that through, making sure there's no twists, and we get that tag looking good. Nice. Now we're going to get started with our pattern. Keep a hold of your lace on the left, bring it over and up through the very next eyelet on the right from underneath. So wiggle that through until it looks like this. Then swap to your right hand lace, and we're going to do the same on the left over here. Bring it up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Looking good. Let's repeat that. Keep a hold of the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Take a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Looking good. Keep a hold of your lace on the left, bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet on the right. Swap to your right hand lace, and we're going to bring it over to the left and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Looking good. And we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the left, bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet on the right, and the same with the right hand lace. Bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet on this side. Making sure there's no twists or creases. Now at this point, you should have the lace through 5 eyelets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at this 5th one, we reach the tongue loop. This might be more or less eyelets than what I have, depending on your shoe size. But when you reach the tongue loop, for me, it's the 5th eyelet. We're gonna make sure we get the lace through there. So keep a hold of your lace on the left and wiggle it through the tongue loop. And you want that to sit nice and flat. And then bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet on the right. Looking good. Swap to your lace on the right, and we're also going to bring this through the tongue loop. So you just want to wiggle it through because we want this lace to sit neatly on top of the other lace that's already in there. Just take your time. Remember, you can pause the video if you need or play it on a half speed. There's no rush. And then once you've got it looking right, bring it up through the next empty eyelet from underneath on the left. Looking good. Now we're going to continue on with our pattern. Keep a hold of the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. And then keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Now we've reached the final eyelets. There's 2 ways we can do this. If you want to do a lace bow as normal, let's do what we've been doing before. Bring your lace up through the next empty eyelet on the right, and then take the right hand one up through the next empty eyelet on the left. And then you can go ahead and tie your lace bow as normal, which is the standard style. And then another way you can do a standard style to make it look a little bit more fresh and crisp is take those laces out, keep a hold of your lace on the left, and you can take it down into the very final eyelet on the right from above this time. So go down into that one from above, swap to your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, and go down into that final eyelet from above. And you'll have a really crisp looking finish. Then you can go ahead, bow your laces kind of loosely here, And then you can tuck that behind the sneaker tongue out of the way. And you have a really crisp look with your laces with no bow. And that bow will just sit on top of your foot and you can slip your feet in and out. But if you want the bow showing, you can also do that. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace Nike Air Force Ones. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.